are what we eat. That's why you have to love us Gozitans.
Blessed by its climate, kissed by the sun, and bathed in the Mediterranean Sea, it is no wonder that Gozo has an abundance of culinary treats that come second to none.
U nibdew mis-sors. Dak kollu li l-art tista' tagħtina, minn ħwawar sa ħxejjex, minn ċietru tant sinjur fix-xitwa sal-frott l-aktar ħellu tas-sajf. It-tradizzjoni tas-siġar taż-żebbux f'għawdex tmur lura żewġ millenji u dik tal-inbit saħansitra d-doppju.
Farmers and animal breeders as they were, Gozitans always stocked their homes, not only with the best cuts of sustainably reared animals, but also the finest of animal source food. We think of eggs, milk, hams, and all kinds of cheeses, and the enviable Gozo honey. And if you're into fish, in Gozo you can't go wrong when the restaurateur is the fisherman himself.
U frisk aktar minn dan ma jistax ikun.
Take this natural inclination for fish and mix it with an almost 200-year legacy of British influence, not least in culinary affairs. And hey, presto, there you have the world-renowned torta tal-lampuki. A lampuki pie you won't taste anywhere else in the world, except Malta.
Unika, bħalma hija unika l-ftiera Maltija. Issa għal dan l-aħħar ftit snin uffiċjalment rikonoxxuta bħala wirt kulturali intangibbli tal-UNESCO.
Let's not forget that our own neighbors are the Italians. So you cannot imagine our cuisine without the goodness of fresh ravioli, which we love as much as the Italians do.
U wejdli hemm xitjeb mir-ravjul bil-ġobon frisk tan-naġ u t-salza tat-tadam misjur mix-xemx ta' Malta kif imiss.
There's a region with such an eclectic gastronomical legacy, so vast, so vibrant, so diverse, so authentic. It's got to be Gozo.